Tagay ka da. Kumusta ang buhay?
Mabuti.
English ka na, mag-English.
Ay, hindi ako.
Sino, lalagay ko to sa YouTube.
Ay, ako.
Saan ka pupunta?
Wala. Dito lang.
Saan ka galing kanina?
Doon. May birthday doon eh. Dito sa tabi namin.
Busog ka. Hindi ka binigyan ng pagkain.
Mamaya daw yung ano, yung pasta yung niluto niya.
Hasta, oh, masarap yun.
Nagpaparsik yung asin eh.
Interview mo si Aida na din. Kausapin mo si Aida.
Ba't mo ako binibidyo?
Wala nga, maganda ka nga, kaya binibidyo kita.
Wala, patay mo na.
Mamaya, hindi pa ako tapos.
Sa dalawa.
Anong pangalan mo, be? Anong pangalan mo, be? Bakit bumusyo?
Bawa na rin.
Hindi lang. O, ikaw na lang ang interviewin ko.
Hindi.
Yan ang malangot.
Hindi, wala.
Alis ka dyan, sumasayaw na si Aida. Wow! Oh, what the hell? Sayaw! Galing mo.
Saya, ready. Disco.
Tinong mo, clap your hands, be. Palakpakan, sumasayaw na si Aida. Sumasayaw si Aida. Hello, Umberto.
Tay.
How are you? Living in the Philippines?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. How fun.
Are you using your camera?
Yep.
Ito siya.
Is it working?
Hi. Yep,
Hi
it's
there.
working.
Tara. Itong naaapakan.
All right, we got time. There's a little bit of work we have to do. All right.
See ya. Bye. Bye. Nice to see you guys.
Yep.
You good? Bye.
Are you recording?
See you in the morning.
All right, man.
Gadi's coming at 9.
Yeah, I'll be over there.
Yeah. I may go with to the thing on Clark at 6 in the morning.
Okay.
If I'm not there,
Right.
just I'll have a guy drop off.
Okay. So what's going on in Clark?
Every year, the top Buddhist priests of Japan do a ritual at Clark.
Oh, okay.
That would be a good thing for her. Yeah, he's gonna.
Nabusog na ako sa guava, Tita Ada.
That's our friend Umberto from
Kasi Aida.
From Italy.
Hindi na yata.
He visit us this afternoon.
Tita Ada.
Bye!
Hindi na yata.
We just worked on some documents and got some documents done.
Okay, say hi to our viewers.
Oh, hey, everybody. Have you done some other videos today?
Yeah, the other one. This one is the third.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me look at it.
Okay.
All right.
Bye guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.
Hey, this is our life in the Philippines. Hey, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Hurry up. Hit it. Right now. Oh, or is it over on this side? No, it's here, I think. Go ahead, hit it. Thank you for watching.